here. So let us see next question. Question number 5. R equals to a comma b such that a less than b cube is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. We are going to check. So here also this relation is defined on which set? That is important. Okay, so relation is defined on real number set. So we can take integers and decimals as well, fractions, right? Now, so let us take reflexive. First of all, a comma a belongs to R. Okay, so generally in case of reflexive, we'll take one element to itself, will relate one element to itself. So can we say one number less than its cube? That happens only in case of one less than 1 cube. Okay, so now see here, a less than a cube, right? So a less than a cube, which is false. If you take 2, suppose 2 less than 2 cube, 2 less than 8, correct. This is happening only in case of this. If you take any other number, for example -2, if I take -2 less than -2 cube, -2 less than -8, no. Okay, so -2 is not less than -8. Okay, so one reason is enough. So one reason is enough to say no, it is not reflexive. Clear? Now let us go for symmetric. Okay, now what is symmetric? For a comma b belongs to R, then b comma a also must be belongs to R. That's what we are going to check. Okay, now here it is also false, because we must know the reason first before going to write it as false. We must know the reason for this before going to write it as false. Okay, so now let us take 1 comma 2 belongs to R. Why I am taking 1 comma 2? Because 1 less than 2 cube, 1 less than 8, left to right it is satisfying. That's why I can take 1 comma 2. After that, what is your duty to check? We have to check 2 comma 1 also belongs to R or not. Okay, check 2 less than 1 cube. No, that's it. That's enough to say it is not symmetric. Okay, so one reason is enough to say it is not. Okay, it is not satisfying. Clear? So R is not symmetric. Clear? So let us go for transitive, right? So now for a comma b belongs to R and b comma c belongs to R, we should take any two connected order pairs first. Okay, so now first of all, a less than b cube and b less than c cube. Okay, then we have to check whether a less than c cube or not. Okay, so now let us take 1, 2, 2, 3, because 1 less than 2 cube, 1 less than 8, correct, and 2, 3, 2 less than 3 cube, correct, and 1 less than 3 cube, that's it. But we cannot satisfy with single example. Okay, we have to go for taking any other example, okay, from real number set. So if you take 25 comma 3 and 3 comma 2 belongs to R. Okay, because 25 less than 3 cube, yes, 25 less than 27, 25 less than 27 here, yes, and 3 less than 2 cube, yes, 3 less than 2 cube, 8, 3 less than 8, correct. So we can take these two order pairs whenever a less than b cube and b less than c cube, then we can take those two order pairs. Okay, whenever first two satisfies, then we'll go for check whether third also satisfies or not. First to last, 25 less than 2 cube, 25 less than 2 cube, no, 25 is not less than 2 cube, 25 not less than 8. So one reason is enough to say no. Yes, so here what can you say? R is not transitive. Okay, so R is neither reflexive, symmetric not transitive. Clear?